Good morning, children. Today we can study the continuation of chapter 3. The chapter name is Excel 2010 Working with Charts. In this section, we are going to discussing about how to modify the chart, how to add a chart title, then how to add axis titles, how to change data labels, how to change data types, etc. Okay. First one, chart tools. Here, once you insert a chart, a set of chart tools arranged into three tabs. Okay, set of chart tools arranged into what? Three tabs will appear on where? On the ribbon. Okay, these three tabs only visible when the chart is selected. Okay, these three tabs, what are the three tabs? Design tab, layout tab and format tabs are only visible on when the chart is selected. Okay, these three tabs only visible when the chart is selected. These three tabs, that is design tab, layout tabs and format tabs, can use what? To modify your chart. Used it to modify your chart. Click the layout tab. You have the following groups. What are they? Labels groups, axis group, background groups and analysis group. Okay, in this section we are going to discussing about only this labels group. Okay, under the labels group you have chart title, axis titles, data labels, legend, data tables. First one, to add a chart title. How to add a chart title? How to add chart title? First step is what? Click anywhere in the chart or select the chart. Step 1 is click anywhere in the chart. Then step 2 is what? Layout tab. Okay, click on the layout tab. In the labels group you have chart title option. You click what? Chart title. The sub options are available. The pop-up menu will appear. From that pop-up menu we have three options. What are they? None, centered overlay title, above chart. If you want to add title, you click what? Centered overlay title or above chart. To remove a chart title, you click what? None. You click where? None. Okay. Here. To add a chart title, you click what? You click anywhere in the chart. Then click on where? Layout tab. Under the labels group, you have chart title option. Then click select what? Centered overlay title or above chart. At that time, the chart title text box will appear on where? Text box will appear in the chart. Then type the text. That means type the title that you want. Okay, type the title that you want. Then to add axis titles. Axis means what? Two types of axis. What? Horizontal axis and vertical axis. Horizontal means y-axis. Vertical means x-axis. Horizontal axis you have category, that is otherwise called as category axis. Vertical axis is also called as what? Value axis. Okay, value axis. Okay, first step is what? Click anywhere in the chart. Then click the layout tab. Under the labels group you have axis titles option. You have axis title option. You click there. Then you select from here. You have one pop-up menu will appear. From that menu we have two options. What are they? Primary horizontal axis titles and primary vertical axis titles. Do one of the following. To add a title to a primary axis. To add a title to a primary horizontal axis, that means category axis, you click where? Primary horizontal axis title. And then click the options that you want. If you want to add a title on where? Primary vertical axis, you click primary vertical axis title. Then click the options that you want. Okay, then Next step is what? At the time the axis title text box that appear in the chart, then you type the text that you want. If you want to remove an axis title, as usual you click the axis title, then click the none option, then click the what? None option. To change data labels. Next one is what? To change data labels. To change data labels, you have different method. First one, click on chart area to add a data label to all data points of all data series. Next one is what? Click in the data series to add a data label to all data points of a data series. Another one, click on a specific data point to add a data label to a single data point in a data series. Okay, first one is what? Click on the chart area, then click in the data series to add a data label to all data points of a data series. Click on a specific data point to add a data label to a single data point in a data series. Another one method is what? This is the simple method. What is that? First you select the chart, then click the layout option. Then from that you have, under the labels group you have one option, what? Data labels. Under the labels group you have what? Data labels. Another one, pop-up menu will appear. From that you choose any one. What? On the layout tab, first step is what? Click on the layout tab. In the labels group, click data labels. Then from that, and then click the display option that you want. From here you choose any one. Okay, the text box will appear in the area of your chart based on your selection. Okay, text box will appear on where? In the area of your chart based on your selection. Click on the text box to modify the text. Okay, to modify the text, what? To click on the text box to modify the text. As usual, to remove data labels, what? Click the data labels and select the none. Next one is what? How to change the chart type. How to change the chart type. How to change the chart type? First you select the chart, then you click the which tab? Design tab. Then you click the design tab. After that you select what? Chart type option. Okay, from the design tab you click chart type command. Okay, a dialog box will appear. This is the dialog box. This dialog box you have different types of chart. What are they? Column chart, line chart, pie chart, etc. Okay, from here select the desired chart type. From here you select what? Desired chart type. At last you click what? Then you click OK button. Okay, then you click the OK button. Then how to change the chart layout. Next one is what? How to change the chart layout. How to change? First you select the chart, then you click the design tab. Then you click the design tab. After that you select what? Click more drop down arrow in the chart layout. More drop down arrow in the chart layout. The chart layout group to see all available layout. Okay, to see all available layouts. This is the layouts, different types of layouts. Select the desired layout. Okay, from here you select the desired layout. The chart will update to reflect the new layout. The chart will update to reflect the new layout. Next is what? To change the chart title. To change the chart title you select what? To select what? Select the, to change the chart style you select what? Design. First you select the chart, then you select the chart what from the chart tools you select the design tab. Okay, from here you have more option, more drop down option. This is the more drop down. Okay, here click the more drop down arrow in the chart styles group to see all of the available styles. Okay, you click where? You click the more here. Okay, you click the more drop down arrow in the chart styles group to see what all of the available styles. From here you select the desired styles. At last is what the chart will update to reflect the new styles. Okay, in this video we are what are the things? First one is what, how to add chart title, then how to add axis titles, then next thing is what, how to change what data labels, then how to change chart type, then how to change chart layout, then how to change chart styles. Okay, here chart titles, axis titles and data labels are in which tab? Layout tab. Then chart type, chart style and chart layout, these are in which tab? Design tab. Okay, I hope all are understood these topics. Thank you.